Okay, I have completely forgotten how to speak to a microphone, but that won't stop me from making this video. Hey guys, how are you doing? I know it's been a while, but I'm back, kinda. Let me explain real quick. So, I decided to make this video to inform you that I'm not actually dead. I am, however, in university, and it is pretty much the same. But anyways, moving on. I decided to also let you know that I'll be uploading shortly, or I don't know how shortly, but I'm currently working on a project for my university, and my task is to create a web platform using PHP, and I can't use any frameworks. So I decided to turn this project into a video series. Yeah, once I finish the project, I will start recording the videos, and they will be on my channel soon. Let me just update you on the process of the website so far. So I decided to make a website to buy and sell cars. So you can like buy someone else's car or you can sell your own. And I only have the HTML pages for now, for some pages actually. This is the home page where you can see some recent listings. Here's a cool slider that I made with jQuery. And here are some cards that I'm not sure what I'll use for just yet. And moving on to the sign up page, here it is. The sign in page looks pretty similar. And then the other page that I'm actually currently working on is the page where you'll be able to search for cars in your area. And yeah, this is how it looks so far. I will be recording those videos shortly, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you have any suggestions on what videos I should make, please make sure to comment down below because I actually have no more ideas. I have been focusing mainly on front-end videos for the past few years on my channel, but I want to change that. I want to start doing more back-end videos because I think front-end isn't that interesting anymore, at least to me. So, yeah, I'll see you soon, guys, and stay safe.